Heston Marc Blumenthal of HonFRSC is a British celebrity chef, TV personality and food writer. Blumenthal is regarded as a pioneer of multi-sensory cooking, food pairing and flavor encapsulation. He came to public attention with unusual recipes such as bacon and egg ice cream and snail porridge. His recipes for triple-cooked chips and soft-centered Scotch eggs have been widely imitated. He has advocated a scientific approach to cooking, for which he has been awarded honorary degrees from Reading, Bristol and London universities, and made an honorary fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry. Blumenthal's public profile has been increased by a number of television series, most notably for Channel 4, as well as a product range for the Waitrose supermarket chain introduced in 2010. He is the proprietor of the Fat Duck in Bray, Berkshire, a 3-Michelin star restaurant which is widely regarded as one of the best in the world. Blumenthal also owns Dinner, a 2-Michelin star restaurant in London, and 2 pubs in Bray, the Hind's Head, with 1 Michelin star, and the Crown at Bray. Heston Marc Blumenthal was born in Shepherd's Bush, London, on 27 May 1966, to a Jewish father born in southern Rhodesia and an English mother who converted to Judaism. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.